Dr. Thicke, I'll go to you next. Everybody here knows that it's important to get to 100% clean power in the next decade or as quickly as we can. But Iowa's an agricultural state, and agriculture is responsible for 9% of all U.S. carbon emissions. What needs to happen for farming communities to adopt the regenerative soil practices that you're working with, and how are we going to get that number down?
Well, first, we need to understand where we came from. We've lost about 60% of our organic carbon in Iowa since we started farming, and worldwide, that's about average. And so we've been deficit spending our ecological capital. Organic matter is about 58% carbon. So what we need to do is start putting carbon in, but we are going the wrong direction. Today's industrial agriculture is still continuing to spew out carbon. If you look around Iowa, now that the crops are coming out, you'll see that it'll be bare all winter. What we need to have is living roots in the soil year-round. We need to have living crops on the land all year round, and that will start to sequester carbon in the soil again. And farmers are doing it. Some farmers are doubling their soil carbon. And if you extrapolate that, we could, if we can increase our soil carbon by 1% to 2% worldwide, we could sequester all the carbon, taking us from 415 parts per million in the atmosphere down to 350 million. But that is a huge order. We need to turn the whole boat around here. We're going in the wrong direction. So we really need some radical change, and I think Bernie Sanders is the one who can do it. Because we can't be fiddling around the margins. We're not going to get anywhere by going in the status quo, the centrist position, and just trying to change a few things. We have to have a fundamental change. And it's going to take policy change. It's going to take research change. Even, we wonder sometimes, well, if Bernie Sanders gets elected, can we change Congress enough to make it happen? But even within the administration, there's a lot that can be done. At USDA, there's a $2 billion research budget every year. Most of that supports industrial agriculture. We turn that around and start supporting regenerative kind of farming, we can turn that all around. The same with conservation. We can do that in the energy department. All those departments, they can do a lot of change just without congressional action, just undoing a lot of what Trump has done. Thank you.
Thank you for that.